Life's like me and a soda, and life's like space without room, and life's like bacon and ice cream. That's what life's like without you. Life's like forever becoming, but life's forever dealing in hurt. Now life's like death without living. That's what life's like without you. Life's like Sanskrit read to a pony. I see you in my mind's eye, strangling on your tongue. What good is knowing such devotion? I've been around, I know what makes things wrong. What good is seeing our chocolate? What good's a computerized notice? And what good is cancer in April? Why, no good. No good at all. What good's a war without killing? What good is rain that falls up? What good's a disease that won't hurt you? Why, no good, I guess, no good at all. What good are these thoughts that I'm thinking? It must be better not to be thinking at all. A styrofoam lover with emotions of concrete. No, not much, not much at all. What good is life without living? What good's this lion that barks? You love the life of this throwaway nightly. It's not fair, not fair at all. What's good? Oh baby, what's good? What's good? What's good? Not much at all. Hey baby, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Not much at all. What's good? What's good? What's good? Life's good. Life's good. Life's good. What's good?